Well, as the options dwindle for the government, that crucial all-party meeting is underway outside 7 Racecourse Road. Protesters were detained a short while ago. Sanket Upadhyay is reporting from the venue of that meeting. Sanket, at the end of it, does it boil down to what stand the BJP takes? And is the left clear enough about where they stand on the Jan Lokpal bill in its entirety?
Well, yes, Tamanna, in fact, that is the very effort that the government is trying to make, that there should be political consensus in what they aim to do. And if the statement by the Prime Minister is anything to go by, where he says that he is going to request the Speaker of the Lok Sabha to formally refer the Jan Lokpal bill also to the standing committee, along with the various other versions of the Lokpal, that is that of Aruna Roy, or that prepared by Aruna Roy. This clearly means that all these bills, or all these versions, as I may add, will go to the same standing committee to which the government version of the Lokpal bill has gone. So as Arnab was pointing out, that version shall not be scrapped, and that message has been made abundantly clear by the government. Now, the entire exercise of having an all-party meeting is, one, try to convince the political class into agreeing to this climb down of sorts that the government has done, and then eventually, put or hold a meeting with the members of Team Anna to convince them. See, the entire political fraternity agrees that what we have done is perhaps the right thing in the interest of the nation, and you might also do the same. It seems that there would be efforts, and as Arnab very rightly pointed out, there could be a CCPA followed by another meeting between the government as well as members of Team Anna to tell them what the government has eventually decided. Just a short while back, we saw a few cars leaving from 7 Racecourse Road. It seems the meeting is going to go on for just a little more while, as a few other members are also planning to leave, but the meeting is not yet over. Through the course of this meeting, there have been a number of protesters of Anna Hazare who have, supporters of Anna Hazare who have been detained, and many more and many others are in fact walking to this area 7 Racecourse Road in ones and twos.
Yes.
It is definitely going to be a very, very difficult task for the government, Tamanna.